coming in at this point in time, Nirav Modi, the fugitive, has been arrested. Remember, Republic just few days ago broke that story for you where we got you more details of how there was an arrest warrant that was issued against this fugitive. And today, finally, he has been arrested. He will be produced in the court, I think, very, very soon. We'll also try to get in our colleague Shravan, I think, for more details on that story. But the story moving very, very fast. You're looking at a lot of pressure that was exerted as far as New Delhi is concerned by the investigative agencies, and now we can confirm to you that the fugitive Nirav Modi has been arrested in London. The next step is that he's going to be taken to the court, from where most likely he will be trying to get a bail for himself. But will that happen or not, we still do not know. But the law is finally catching up with this man. We're trying to get you more details and also more reporters for more perspective on that story. The story moving very, very fast. As I said, Nirav Modi is now arrested and he will be produced before the Westminster Court in just a short while from now, is also what we can tell you. Do remember, extradition is what India is seeking of this man. And there have been two specific requests for the same that have gone in from New Delhi. And it's only following those diplomatic maneuvers and the parleys, the hectic parleys that have been on between both the sides today, that you look at this significant and this big breaking news that is playing out on your screens. Republic, as I said, just this Monday evening, in fact, is when we had put out this information first for you, telling you how an arrest warrant now has been issued against the man, and then it was only a matter of time. The clock already is ticking for him, and you look at this very, very important development now, and the next process is that the legal extradition system will kick in now. We'll have to wait and see how this story moves on from here. What is it that happens in the court? But all this is coming 17 months after this man decided to flee from India. And he thought that he is gone, and he thought he's not going to be picked up by the investigative agencies. But as I said again and again, you have seen a lot of pressure that has been exerted by India, a lot of diplomatic maneuvers that have led now to this big breaking update that is on your screens. Nirav Modi is arrested. For viewers just joining in, this is a big diplomatic victory for India. You had seen that first video that surfaced of him, the images of which you see on your screens, where this man was very happily just moving on the streets of London. Every question that was thrown at him, he said no comments. But now it just takes, I think, some amount of time now before he could be packed off to India. It was Christian Michel earlier, and it is Nirav Modi now. My colleague Sagarika also joining us on the phone line to get you more details on this. Sagarika, what more do we know about what is going on?
There's just news breaking in, and it's coming in right now, that Nirav Modi, the fugitive businessman who looted India, is now arrested in London. Now, this development comes after the arrest warrant was served on the 18th, that is just 2 days back. On the 9th, if you remember, Deepthi, he was tracked by reporters and he was fired, and one after the other questions were forwarded. So it's a big diplomatic victory for the Modi government. Right now, Nirav Modi has been arrested. He could be produced in multiple reports we're reading at this point of time as we're gathering inputs on this. What we're getting to know is that a warrant will be served. He could be. What we're getting to know at this point of time is that a warrant will be served to him. It may not directly mean that he could be detained, is what we're picking up from various sources. But right now what we can tell you is that the Westminster Court on the 18th had issued a warrant. Today, Nirav Modi has been arrested in London. On the 9th, he was tracked. So it also comes months after Republic TV was the first channel to track down Nirav Modi. You remember we had showed you the pictures. Our senior editor Shravan Sen was in London. We tracked down his London address. So on the 18th of March was when the arrest warrant was issued. On the 9th of March, that is this month, Nirav Modi was tracked in London. In August last year, Deepthi, if you remember, Republic revealed his London address. We're getting multiple sources, and what we can tell our viewers is that the Westminster Court, which had issued the warrant 2 days ago, a detention, the note will be served to him. It may not, this is as per sources, Deepthi, what I can tell you is that it may not lead to an immediate detention, but this only furthers India's process. Our senior editors were also telling us that how the joint team of the CBI and the ED were moving very fast on the case. In fact, the teams could be leaving for London very, very, very soon. So our senior editor Shravan Sen will be joining us shortly, Deepthi. We're getting breaking news at this point of time. Is that it's a huge, huge victory for the Modi government. We're getting information that he could be produced in court at around 3:30. That is, in a short while from now, he could be produced in court. He was arrested a short while back. We're gathering more information. Our senior editors are here getting us more information on the story. Arrested a short while back, could be produced in court shortly. He is likely to apply for bail is also what we're gathering from our sources, is what we can tell you at this point of time. But as of now, breaking news coming in. Big victory for the Modi government. And we are just one step close. This is just one step close to the extradition, Deepthi. So 17 months after he left India, Nirav Modi, who was tracked down by Republic TV first, today has been arrested in London. It's a big victory. So breaking news number one, he's been arrested. Breaking news number two, he could be produced in court in a short while from now, in the Westminster court in a short while from now. Breaking news number three is that it may not lead to an immediate detention in court. He has the right to apply for bail. This is what we can tell you at this point of time, is that it's a huge victory for the Modi government. Breaking news coming in. We're getting all our sources and getting you. It's a massive victory for the Narendra Modi government, Deepthi. Huge diplomatic victory. CBI, ED teams are moving super fast on this case. In fact, the teams will now move to London. Extradition is the next step. In a short while from now, he'll be produced in the Westminster court. Deepthi, this is the information we're gathering from our senior editors on the story. But for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, once again, let's tell them what's happening at this point of time. Super fast development and a massive victory for the Modi government. Nirav Modi, the fugitive businessman, a man who looted India of crores, arrested after 17 months he fled. After 17 months after he fled India, he's been arrested in London. The first channel to track him down was Republic TV. Our senior editor Shravan Sen led that investigation. Right now, we're getting you more breaking news updates. In a short while from now, he could be produced in the Westminster court, Deepthi.
Yes.
Handing it back to you, Deepthi, as we get more breaking news.
You know, Sagrik, I think those are very, very important updates that you get for us. Stay with us. I also want to get in our colleague Aishwarya, who's getting more insights into this. Aishwarya, what are you learning? I think over the last few hours, the story has moved very, very fast. And just about yesterday, the CBI sources had said that his extradition process is underway. And Aishwarya, they also said we are doing everything possible.
Absolutely. 3:30 is the time when he is going to be produced in front of the Westminster court, and 3:30 is the Indian time. He was arrested around 2 hours prior. That is what we are being told by the London Metropolitan Police. Keeping in mind that an arrest warrant was issued, we broke this information yesterday, Deepthi, that a CBI team is going to leave for London within the next 96 hours. That could be a bit rather speed up now, but at this very point of time, this is a big victory, and it shows what we broke yesterday, that the extradition process is on. The extradition process is not only being rather hunted behind, but it's on, and it's on as we speak, because the man who's behind the 13,000 crore scam has been arrested in London. Yes, it is a bailable offence, and if sources are to be believed, bail could be given to the man, because that is how the London law, the law of the land back in London works, that this is a bailable offence.
Yes, but that is a part of the process. That is only a part of the process, Aishwarya. I will just allow you some time so that you can just, actually make those quick phone calls and get us more insight into what is happening, because look at the time. It is already about 3:04. 4 minutes past 3. 3:30 is when Aishwarya and Sagarika actually tell us that this man, this fugitive, who earlier said no comments, is going to be produced before the Westminster court.